Welcome to Rainy Results.
Yes. Rainy results. It's
Artsy.
rainy.
So artsy.
Yeah. Okay, fuck that. No.
We took a detour and apparently his brother's truck smells like death.
Yes, it does.
Dirty ass puddle. Yes.
So, gayest ballerina. I'm not gay.
Oh my god.
Let's play. That's cold. Holy shit. Oh, my shoe got wet. Well, my shoes are fucked up anyways. You know.
Whoa! Okay, apparently Noe's trying to be artsy, but... You look so weird.
I look weird?
Okay, so here's our road. Well, just kidding, that's for another video.
Yep.
But this is rainy results, and we're getting soaked.
Yeah.
It's freezing. Not freezing. See, we're trying to be classy and artsy and stupid at the same time. Noe. Oh my god.
I'm gonna try to jump. Oh, no, I can't. Okay. Oh shit!
This isn't a good idea.
Okay,
Don't try this at home,
I'm
kids.
gonna try to jump over that. Well, it's not even that hard to jump, you know.
Oh my god. Good job.
Oh shit! Oh, my shoe's wet. No. It's cold.
Like I said, don't be stupid.
Why? Why me?
Great.
Fuck it.
I walk this lonely road, the only one that I have ever known.
The costs are pretty.
The walk of shame to go change his socks.
Yeah.
Okay, next, we'll be back in a second, I guess. We're gonna share some knowledge with you. Why does rain stink?
Because I guess sound so stupid. Okay, I heard from this person that germs, because they're feeding off your sweat and stuff, you're smelling their shit. You know. Stop zooming in. I know you're zooming in. I can see the camera. Okay. No. Okay. Bye.
Oh. Oh, so you're recording? Great. I got on the trampoline. It's really cold, but a gust of wind totally blew me away. So
Totally. Do some trampoline tricks.
It's wet. You're fine.
Oh.
What should I do?
The
The ballerina twirl?
yeah, the ballerina tour.
The ballerina twirl.
Oh my god. Oh, and that's my sister. Bye.
Wait. Is she like your sister?
Yeah, she's my sister.
Time for Noe's next trampoline trick, because this is our thing now. Bye! Holy! What do you call that one? The earthquake? I'm holding an expensive device! You deserve... Stop! Stop! I hate you! Okay, that was the earthquake, apparently.
That was the earthquake.
I hate
And
you.
the next thing,
We're doing another one. Is this gonna be a series? Hey. I hate you! Why do you bounce so hard? Ooh, that's what she said.
hi. Or we're going to take a few pictures.
We'll show some of those pictures, won't we?
Okay, we'll see, you should do your outro.
Okay, we'll do that inside. Thank you for joining us on that rainy... We're soaked, we're cold, but
Yeah.
we're still gonna take those pictures.
Just for you.
No, for our own liking.
Oh, yeah.
I can't feel my hands. Thank you for watching our rainy results.
Yeah.
we do these things?
I don't know.